My name's Hayden. I'm from Houston, Texas, Hair of Istanbul. I've started losing my hair when I was about 25 and really noticeable. I started shaving it bald when I was about 29. Hair of Istanbul, I've been following them for over 2 years. They have progressed and I knew one day I was gonna make it here. It got here finally. Took long enough. It's been a great experience. All the videos on their Instagram that I've followed over the years have been accurate. Coming here from getting picked up from the airport to where I'm standing at right now after the procedure, it was seamless. I actually fell asleep, didn't feel a thing. I think if you're young and you feel like you need to get this done and have the insecurities that most men do, get it done. It's existing again, so that's good. I like my hairline. I like the way it's very straight, and it's not the way that it was done. I feel like it's not gonna look too unnatural. They broke it up a little bit, so I'm excited about that. Highly recommend this place. It is amazing. It's beautiful, and they do a great job. They take care of you very well here. I think my hair loss began due to stress, a lot of stress. I own a few businesses and probably the cause of stress. Also, it's probably genetics as well. That's what they say. I'm not a scientist or anything, but apparently that's what you hear. You get it from your mother's side. But I think it was stress. When I started losing my hair, a lot of insecurities, always wearing a hat. I think one of the morning routines is first thing is grabbing a hat, especially if I didn't shave the day before and, I go into a setting and I have to take my hat off. It's always uncomfortable and just, no man wants to have their hat off and no hair and, everybody wants to have hair and especially at a young age, nobody wants to feel like that. Oh, no, she never did. A lot of people say, I used to shave my head bald and they said I looked really good bald. Some men look good bald and for me, this is for me. Nobody told me to do it. A lot of people were telling me not to. They said I look good bald, but I wanted to for myself. I think what attracted to me is you guys is I feel like you've been here the longest and I've had friends come here to this facility and your old facility and just seeing the results and watching you over the course of years, it's been great. Yeah, I will say that, you guys are not the cheapest, but you guys are the original people that I've seen for years and y'all have this process down, hands down. Get over here as soon as you can, and if you want to get it done, get it done. Don't wait. The longer you wait, the less you get to enjoy your hair. It is a long recovery time, so just get it done.